Hello viewers, this is Kiddies Craft. Today we'll be making a straw stick hair wheel hand toy. Pick a square sheet of colored paper, fold from top to down along the diagonal line to form a triangle. Open it up and fold from up to down again along the second diagonal line. Pick a scissors and slit along the diagonal lines that we have and stop just before the center. Open up, slit along the first diagonal line we got. Open up, then begin to bring in the edges of each quadrant to the center. Pick the first one, the second one from the second quadrant, the third one, the fourth one. Do not crease. Pick it up, pick a straw stick and staple to the center. Staple the straw to the air wheel at the center. Put it aside. Pick two small sheets of colored paper, square sheets of colored paper, fold into two equal halves to form a rectangle. Fold again. We need two petals from it. So we draw and cut out the petal. Open up, curl up the edges with the paper, with the edges of the paper with the pencil. Curl up the second one. Place on top of each other in this form. Apply some glue, and then we'll put this stone decoration at the center in that form, and then apply some glue just to the center of the hair wheel. Place the petal decoration and leave it to dry. Once it dries up, we have our handheld petal hair wheel decoration to play around with. Hope you like the video. Thank you. Hello viewers, this is Auntie Shemi, Kiddies Craft. Thank you for watching our videos. But don't forget to subscribe to our channel for regular updates on stylish and creative kiddies craft ideas. You could also like us and share our videos. Thank you.